Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, wanted to do a quick test of these two sockets, so I figured while I'm doing the test I would do a video. Now I got that Santa Fe set, I don't know, last week sometime, and it came with two passenger cars that were just literally destroyed, just eaten alive with rust. They were so rusty you could just push your thumb directly through the sides of the bodies. But they were both lighted, and so I snagged both of the lamp sockets out of the bottom of them. I was able to save 2 axles, 4 wheels, and 1 roller pickup. The rest of it went in the trash can. I mean, it was just literally eaten alive with rust, as are both of these. So I haven't tested them yet, and so I thought I'd do a quick video. Went up to Menards, got some new light bulbs. These things are actually quite inexpensive. They're E10 based, just like the original bulb. Number is 03797. There's 99 cents for 2 of them. They're larger than the original bulb, but they're quite bright. They actually work really, really well. Now to test these, rather than having to take them over to the bench, I just made a test lead attached to one of the magnetic lock-ons. That way I can just stick it directly to the rail and pull power directly off the rail to test these bulbs without having to take them into the bench. So let's see if these will work. So I just opened this package of bulbs. So put one clip here, we'll clip this one directly onto the socket and turn on the transformer. And it works. That's good to know. So no problem with that one. Try this one. Now this one is much, much worse condition. It is really, really rusty. So, of course, the sockets are copper. And as you see, oh, there we go. So you can see how rusty this is when you can't get a good connection with an alligator clip. It is rusty. All right, so they both work. That's good to know. All right, turn the power off. And like I said, it's really easy to be able to do this now. I can just use the magnetic lock-on and just pull the power directly off the rail instead of having to take them to the bench and hook them up to that small transformer that I have for testing. Now, another nice thing about this, of course, is you can test a locomotive off the rail. Just clip the leads onto it and pull the power directly off the rail rather than having to take this into the bench. So it works. It's going to be a great expedient. So this one's going to stay here in the train room. So a quick way to do testing on bulbs and accessories, anything that you can't test on directly on the track itself. Anyway, it'd be a great time saver, so I don't have to keep running back and forth. So I'll just keep this one in here. But in the meantime, I've got 2 new sockets, and I can use these on other cars, of course. I'm going to have to actually physically scrape these. I'll probably use a small file, or just de-rust them, and get this rust. This one in particular, as you can probably tell, is just literally eaten alive with rust. I mean, like I said, when you can't get a good connection with an alligator clip, you know this thing is rusty. It's just covered in pitting and oxide. This one's a bit better, but you can see, and these were inside the car. So that's just indicative of how really rusted those cars were. I mean, they were just literally falling to powder, and there was nothing I could do with them. So I scavenged the 2 sockets, 4 wheels, 2 axles, and that 1 pickup roller that I put on that caboose. Anyway, so they work, and this is the first test of using the lock-on with alligator clips. Like I said, I'll just keep this here in the train room. Be great for doing quick tests just like this, testing bulbs, accessories, whatever. Something you can't test on the rail itself. And a great way to be able to test stuff without having to run to the bench. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.